Alright guys, now we're going to ride the train to Terminal A here in this video.
Una vez la entrada esté despejada, continuaremos nuestro viaje.
Yeah, I put the camera down because it is busy here. It is extremely busy here in the airport today. So, yes, some of the pictures may be a little crappy. Yep. Of course. And that's the parking garage elevator over there, which is a ThyssenKrupp elevator. Yep. And of course, I'm on everyone's favorite subway train, which I remember in a lot of my YouTube videos, I've said about this train that it feels like a roller coaster too. Approaching Terminal C right now. Yep, we are arriving right now in Terminal C.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott.
There's barely anyone here, but earlier we were at D&E and it was crowded over there. Like it was really busy. Oh, that does not sound good. No, the train.
For your safety and the safety of others,
nobody out
the
here.
airport luggage carts are not allowed on the subway train system. Please offload your luggage or use the pedestrian tunnel to continue to your destination.
Para su seguridad y la seguridad de otros, los carritos para equipaje del aeropuerto no se permiten.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
Flying out today?
No. I usually do this for my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah. You have a YouTube channel?
I do, and I do like making videos of this train too. Especially how this train feels like a roller coaster too. Yeah, because of this turn right here, it really feels just like a roller coaster.
Interesting. How long are your videos?
I have made videos on my YouTube channel since late 2012 and early 2013. Yeah, we're just about arriving at the hotel. And I also didn't get to say that the train also feels like a car ride too because of the music that plays in here.
How many viewers you have on your account?
Ooh, I don't remember, but I can't remember, but I'll probably have to check.
How often do you do this?
I do it as a hobby for YouTube.
Interesting.
Oh, there's nobody here. I just thought there was someone here at the hotel getting on. Or if anyone's getting...
You come every day to the airport? You like the airport or what? Yeah,
the airport is pretty cool. Oh jeez. Oh, wait. Once again, I forgot there's like nobody even here. Silly me.
Hold on to the hand.
But yeah, other people have done videos here in the airport too. Yeah, and what I like about the airport is the subway.
Definitely. Oh, you like riding a lot?
Yeah, the subway, because it's fun.
How many hours do you ride it? You don't get bored or nothing like that?
No, man.
All day long?
Well, not all the time though. Sometimes I'm not in the subway train. But hey, it's all cool though. The subway's fun.
That's true, man.
Yeah. Yep. And we're going really fast, and that's what makes it feel like a highway car ride.
What's the name of the YouTube
It's just Jimmy Flygar.
And that's all you have, like, videos of the airport.
Yeah, I have some. I know I have some other stuff too. Like, I also do car wash videos too. Yeah, I used to do car dealership videos, but I retired from it. And whoa, it's pretty dark over here too.
So we just go. You put your name once again. What was it?
It's Jimmy Flygar.
How do you spell that one?
My last name is spelled Flygare. I know
it says right there, YouTube. I just put your name and it'll show it.
Yeah, and after you type it, then you push search.
Cool.
Okay. Yep. Okay. There's people getting off. You guys are heading to A.
No, right here. I think this is it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, be safe out there.
Okay. Enjoy your trip, man.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, I also didn't get to mention, that was also not a good idea for me to spell my last name when I'm making videos. Yeah, because I usually don't like to say my name in videos. But anyways, there goes the other subway train. The guy was very kind, too. And whoa, something's not, as you can see, the little plastic thing for the door, or whatever that is, it's coming loose. But geez, man, when the train was making that rough stop like that, man, that's just crazy. Okay, here we go. Now we are off to Terminal A.
Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Yep, and there's the other subway train station. And that's your directory map here too. And now we're just about approaching the old surface parking station. This is the part where the music will be super loud. Yep. This is my favorite part of the train. This is where, yeah, this is my favorite part of the train, where the music would turn up really loud, and yeah, I know it's pretty dark over here, but the reason being is because some of the lights are burnt out. Yeah, because I remember in a lot of my videos, or some of my videos, I have stated that the reason why it's dark in here in the train is because some of the lights are burnt out. Which I remember commenting that on Houston Flyers Vloggers' video from a year ago, from the spring break of last year when he was riding the subway train. I'm sorry, not meanwhile. I mean, regardless, we're just about arriving at Terminal A. Yep. Okay, now we're going to stand over here.
Su próxima parada es la Terminal B.
And whoa, jeez. That's a pretty rough stop here too. Okay, everybody else. Okay, everyone's already on the train, so. We're gonna try and watch the train leave. Yep, there it goes. It's closing up right now. Yep.
You are at Terminal A. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Okay, yep, now the train is gone.
Agarren la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la Terminal
Yep,
B.
and these are the ThyssenKrupp elevators too. which we're about to ride. Yep. The other music speed up here, of course. Yep. Okay, and that's... Oh, shoot, that's right. I'm gonna ride the elevators.
Level LL subway to
Instant
Terminals
call,
and
that's it.
Marriott Hotel. Going up.
Yep. This elevator literally always... Seriously, this elevator always does rough stops, or starts.
Level 1 baggage claim and ground transportation. Going up.
And that's it.